Thank you so much for tuning in. Thanks for watching. And you're thinking to yourself, this isn't a motorcycle video. The Brit on a bike is in his truck for a motorcycle, a sexy beast on two wheels, which I'm very excited about buying. The deal is done. So this is the beginning of another new adventure for the Brit on a bike. I'm going to keep it secret on what I've bought. No, I won't. It's a Moto Guzzi. I fancy something sexy in Italian. What can I say? Happens to the best of us, right? Alrighty, I'll check in with you guys in San Fran. Welcome everybody. I have made it to Spirit Motorcycles San Jose, and 5 hours of driving, 343 miles. She's used and she needs some love, but here she is. And she's gonna be my new girlfriend. Hello, beautiful. I promise to be gentle with you. Alright, so bye-bye Spirit Motorcycles San Jose. The sun is going down. I've now got another 5-hour drive home. I wish that is not a ride. There she is, my new Italian beauty who needs to be repaired. So here she is, my new purchase, a Moto Guzzi V7 3, version 3, racer, serial number 0199. So she's number 199 of 750 of these as a limited edition model that were made by Moto Guzzi in Italy. Anyway, I thought I'd do a quick walk around of the bike and show you exactly what I bought before the restoration begins. Alright, so starting off on the right side of the bike, the hub, absolutely perfect. No damage there whatsoever. And pretty much the entire right side, aside from being dirty and needing a thorough clean, is in excellent condition. So one of the reasons why I chose this bike was, well, aside from the fact that I love the look of it, we've got factory installed Öhlins suspension, we've got factory installed big Brembo brakes, and it's just a great looking bike. I've never owned a Moto Guzzi, so this is going to be a new ownership experience for me. Clutch lever is broken, front indicator is broken, we've got a nice big scuff on the odometer, end bar is scuffed and damaged, mirror is broken and damaged here. Gas tank's got a couple of dings in it here, which I hope will be able to be pushed out, and then I can leave it this. If I can't get these pressed out, I'm gonna refinish the tank and respray it. Main issue here is with the head, the valve head on the side of the 750 engine. You can see it has ground its way all the way down here, so I'm gonna need a new valve head, a new gasket, and a new spark plug cover, as well as probably a new spark plug and spark plug lead, which is fine. The whole bike needs to be completely thoroughly serviced anyway. Rear set here needs to be replaced. It's ground down on the shifter lever and the foot peg here, and then the exhaust is missing. I do have it, but it got sheared off in the accident, and the screws are stuck inside this plate here, so those are going to need to be extracted. And then we've got some significant muffler silencer damage along the sides here from the scrape. Tires are shot, they're 7 years old, so it's been 18 months since it was crashed, and it has not been used since that point. Leather strap on the tank is cupping a little towards me, a bit like that. So the edges are not sitting flat. So this has just been sitting out in the sun. It's dried out. The leather needs to be re-dyed and softened with some leather conditioner and put back into position. You can see how it's sitting on the tank. It's not sitting, it's shrunk in the sun. So we're going to have to sort that out. As far as the gauges go, battery's completely dead, which is what I would expect. Alright, so that's the seat off. dusty and a bit grimy underneath. The previous owner put this passenger seat, a regular seat on, got rid of the hump. I kind of like the hump, so I might go back to the hump, we'll see, but there we go. A really nice looking cafe racer. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, please hit the notifications bell, and I will be posting new videos on this restoration as I get through it and start pulling it apart and getting it back on the road. Ride safely, everybody. Come home alive. Cheers.